When it comes to survival in the wild, ostriches are equipped with a fascinating defense mechanism. Despite being flightless, these birds possess incredibly powerful legs. When threatened, an ostrich can deliver a kick strong enough to kill large predators like lions. Each leg is armed with a sharp claw, making their kicks not just powerful, but deadly. This lethal ability, combined with their impressive speed, allows them to outrun danger effectively. Ostriches can sprint up to 45 miles per hour, using their strong legs to navigate the savannas swiftly. Their defense mechanism is a remarkable adaptation, ensuring their survival in a world full of predators.